How to add multiple photos on Snapchat story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. The first thing first, tap on your Snapchat application and then make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, you can see the option of album on the bottom left corner of the screen. So just tap on it and then you'll be able to look for photos on your camera roll or your memories. So just select some photos. Here I'm selecting 3 photos over here. So you can tap any photos that you want to share on your story. Just keep selecting and then you'll be able to select more than one photo. After that, you'll be led to screen like this. Then what you're going to do is you have two options. So you can share your story to friends only, or you can share your story to your public. So when you select on shared story, you can select to whom you're going to send the story to. So if you want to share the story to public, you're going to select on the option of story for public that you can see over here. So you can share the story on my story public, so your friends, followers and everyone will be able to watch your story. So just share this, tap on send, and then your story will be shared on public platform. You'll just have to wait for a little while to get this story updated and uploaded to your Snapchat story. So here you can see the stories, the photos has been added to the story. So if you want to view, just go to story and you can see under your profile there are different photos here. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.